Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss off-grid solar system. An off-grid solar system, also known as a standalone solar system, is a self-sufficient solar setup that operates independently of the electricity grid. Off-grid systems store energy in batteries for use when the sun isn't shining. This makes them perfect for remote locations or emergency backup. Main components of an off-grid system are solar panel, off-grid MPPT inverter, and batteries. Solar panels convert sunlight into DC power when sunlight falls on them. This DC power goes to the battery for storage through an MPPT controller, and then the inverter converts this DC power to AC power, which is sent to our house to run loads. Let's understand the connection of components. First, we will connect the batteries to the inverter through a DC breaker. Please keep in mind about polarity of DC wires while connecting. That means red wire, which is positive, goes to positive of inverter, and black wire, which is negative, to connect negative of inverter battery terminals. Then, we will connect the solar array to the inverter through a DC breaker and surge protector. Surge protector protects the solar system in case there is any surge in voltage by sending it through grounding. The inverter's AC output will be connected to the AC distribution board of the house. Lastly, the required earthing would be done for the SPD, solar panels, and inverter. Thanks for watching this. Please like and subscribe.